good evening, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are at John Scarratt and Sons Fun Fair here at Milton Keynes, Willen Lake. Yeah, we'll take you around, show you what there is and get on some rides. But it's bloody warm today. Take you to the poster here, it's on for another week. There's one more week left at the time of recording. Free to enter, and there are your times, and that's the address. Haley's also with me tonight. You okay, Haley? Bit warm?
It is a bit warm.
Bit warm.
All the fun of the fair, isn't it?
It is. There's a lovely setting over the Willen Lake. Show you this map before we actually go and do the fair. It's the map of Willen Lake that you can walk around. We parked in car park B. There's a hotel, restaurants. But yeah, it's huge. Come to Willen Lake as well. They also have big high ropes course. Mini golf as well, which is all sharp obviously because the time of filming it is a Sunday, so Sunday trading hours. And it looks like we used to have a miniature railway as well. Go and watch Mr. Coaster Crazy, I think, to go and find out all about that, because you'll know all about it. Right, enough for the tour around Willen Lake. Let's get into the fair, see what there is. Got Miami over there, got a superstar over there. Haven't done one of them since Beaconsfield Fair and Body Count. We've got very old orbiter over to the left. Spinner disco, one of the fastest rapids. Waltzers apparently around. Look at that. Twister over there. Got a Psycho's house. Horror house. Some Dodgems. Midnight Express. And a little fun house. Loads of eateries and kids rides as well, juveniles. Don't ask me who owns them, where they've come from, I have no idea. We got a little Starflyer as well, it's not very high. I get you some prices when I do some rides. All your normal carnival games, and there's a little coaster cred here as well. No, I'm not doing. Forget it. First ride of the day is going to be the Orbiter. Yeah, we're all strapped in and ready to go here on the Orbiter here at Willen Lake. Wow, it's loud though. There we go. It's like old school Orbiters. Whoa, here we go. Oh wow! Yeehaw! Whee! Oh ho! Yeah! Oh wow!
Ladies and gentlemen, the show is about to begin.
Let's go! Here we go! Whoa! Let's go! Oh wow! Wow! Yeah! Whoa! Wow! Yeehaw! Whoa! Oh, beautiful! Oh, slowing down. Here we go. Round two. Get ready. Let's go. Whoa. Wow. Whoa. Wow. Oh, wow, the power. Whoa. Yeah. Really feeling your face. Oh, slowing down again. Oh. 4-pounder ride as well, not too bad. Not too bad, good cycle. most of the rides here, major rides anyway, are £4 a ride. Most of the juveniles, I haven't really looked, but I'd say most of the juvenile rides are ranging about £3. Yeah, so our next thing we're going to do is this Psycho's house. It's like a horror house, I think it is. Like a ghost train, but not. It's only going to be small. I just think a Psycho mansion at Fantasy Island with one of these. Yeah, £4 to go in, have a look around, take you on and see what it's like. Here we go. I have no idea what to expect. I don't think there's actors in it, I'm just expecting loud noises. I mean, it's coming out there on the camera, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, steps. Steps, ladies, steps. In the dark. It was creepy, you can sort of hear stuff. Here we go, round 2. Oh, here we go. Alright, that's a long knock. More stairs, watch the stairs. Expecting them to play, I don't think they are. Oh, skeleton in the bath. He's going to come out. There we go, there's the exit. I love a classic ghost house, I think they're brilliant. Just like the effects they're on in there, they could do it like that. Woo! Woo! Did that get you heavy? I got you a few times, didn't it?
It made me jump a couple of times, but I'm not sure I would happily pay £4 for it again. I feel like I'm walking around like the range animatronics section.
It's classic. Yeah, it's a bit expensive for what it is, I guess. But they gotta make a living somehow at the end of the day, you know. Time for the Starflyer, £4. Let's go on and take on for a POV. Yeah, last time I was on a Starflyer was at Beaconsfield Fair about 2 years ago now. So yeah, that was body count. Me and Andy, we had a cracking ride on that, we really did. So yeah, we'll see what this one's all about. Oh, we don't even check safety bars, they're just shut and that's it. Off we go. Such a strange feeling to ride. You gotta do it though, yeah, you gotta do it. Spinny, spinny, spinny. Here we go. There we go. Oh, hey, if you can, in the crowd. puppy. Those were amazing. Hopefully you can hear me, but I've just had an amazing ride on Superstar, as you just seen. It's crazy ride. Anyway, I think we're going to do one more ride. Last ride of the night, Midnight Express. Let's go. Here we go on the Midnight Express. Not done one of these before. Here we go. Gonna get very rapid, very quickly. Yeah, this bar in front of me is gonna swing out. Oh, here we go. Whoa. Pick it up, mate. Oh, wow. Yeehaw. Slowing down. Think we're going to go backwards. What goes forwards must go backwards. This thing's still swinging all over the place. Oh, backwards mode as well. Not many of these do that, apparently. I clearly know my funfair rides.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Let's go!
Okay, one more time, take faster, one time.
Let's go! Oh, backwards is more intense right now. Oh, jeez! Oh, wow! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, I'm not prepared for this! Oh, wow! Jeez! Oh, wow! 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 Oh, you wouldn't want a long cycle going backwards. Wow! All right. Wow, that backwards mode, that's intense. You wouldn't want that any longer than a minute. I think, yeah, that was intense. Cool ride, very cool. There we go, there is John Scarratt and Sons Funfair here at Willen Lake. It's on until the 16th of August, which is next Sunday. It's currently Sunday now, so it's got a week to go until you can get down there. Rides range from £4 for the main rides. Juvenile rides and kids rides are about £3, and the Star Flyer is a £5. So yeah, it's not the cheapest if you've got a family, but they got to make their money somehow. So yeah, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and we shall see you on our next adventure.